Ladies and gentlemen of the Natural Hair Care Jury, hi, I am Healy Means. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing video. This is the second video in a series of Sally Beauty 50% off sale videos. The first video that I did was on the shampoos. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check that out. The second Sally Beauty 50% off sale that I participated and contributed my coins to was the conditioners. Now, if you know me, you know my favorite step of wash day is the second step, which for me is deep conditioning. Now, of course, I also do rinse out conditioners, but deep conditioner is my favorite. And I was really looking forward to this sale because I'm going to tell y'all already from day one for the Sally Beauty 50% off shampoo sale, y'all, something was different. They chinced us, they cheated us, y'all. In past years, the Sally Beauty 50% off shampoo sale, conditioner sale, styler sale, it pretty much included like everything that you could put in that category. I purchased a particular brand of one product's shampoo because I also wanted to get the pre-poo. That did not happen. So, and y'all, I wasn't about to pay full price for it. I couldn't, even though it's not that expensive, I couldn't bring myself to pay full price for it. I'm gonna have to wait for a sale to come around. But let me show you what I did get. Since I already started talking about the particular brand, it is the Just For Me Curl Piece line. In the last video, I showed you where I bought the shampoo. And here I bought the matching Ultimate Detangling Conditioner. This is 12 fluid ounces. And the only reason I bought this, y'all, is because I had already bought the shampoo. I missed out on the pre-poo or the detangling treatment. Whatever the name of it is, it's what everybody's using for the pre-poo. I was mad, but I was like, okay, you already brought the shampoo. You might as well buy the conditioner. And so that's what I did. The next product is the Hawaiian Silky 14-in-1 Miracle Worker Conditioner, 16 fluid ounces. And again, I purchased this to match the shampoo that I purchased during the 50% off shampoo sale. Then from the Ion brand, I had purchased the shampoos from two different lines. So I purchased the matching conditioners. The first one is the Curl Solutions line, and this is the Curl Defining Conditioner, which matches the shampoo that I purchased. And then I also picked up the Detox Solutions Conditioner, and this matches the shampoo that I purchased. And of course, I was very happy to pick up a repurchase, which is the Detox Solutions Mud Mask. And again, if you haven't seen the video that I did on this product, go ahead and check that out. Next, I purchased a matching conditioner to the Maui Moisture Lightweight and Hydration Plus Hibiscus Water line. And this matches the shampoo that I purchased. And then a brand that is brand new to me is Vernon Francois Pure Fro Conditioner. And this matches the shampoo that I purchased. Now the shampoo was in a tube. This product is very liquidy and watery, but this is actually a rinse out shampoo in a spray. As you can see the reduced tag, this was on clearance and plus it was 50% off. So I got two. And now y'all, some drama for your mama. During this 50% off conditioner sale, I was trying to match the conditioners from the shampoos that I had purchased from the 50% shampoo sale. One of them was the Cantu Flaxseed Conditioner to match the shampoo. I had purchased 3 shampoos and I ordered either 3 or 4 of the conditioners. I put it in my cart along with everything else, totaled it up, got my total price, got the order confirmation, got the shipping and tracking number, and I was waiting for my conditioners. Keep in mind, these are one-day sales. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, guess what happened? 3 days after I placed my order, which is 3 days after the 50% off sale. Sally Beauty had the nerve to send me an email telling me that certain items were not in stock. They were not added to my order, but don't worry, they didn't charge me. I was burnt up. I purposely bought the conditioners to match the shampoos, and I wanted to take advantage of the fact that not only were they on clearance, but they were 50% off of clearance. But since they ran out of stock and they didn't add it, of course they didn't charge me. Like they was doing me a favor. Of course you wasn't doing me no favor. I mean, you didn't add it, so of course you ain't charged me. The problem is, y'all, 3 days after the sale of a 1-day sale, I missed out on the sale price. So I had a choice to make. Either not get the conditioners at all or pay full price, which was really clearance price, but that's beside the point. So I went ahead and I bought the conditioners at full price. I bought one conditioner for me to use as a conditioner, and this says that you can also use it as a leave-in. So I have like one bottle as a rinse out conditioner and one bottle as a leave-in. We'll see how that works, y'all, but I'm burnt up over this whole thing. So, I mean, you know, these 4 that I bought, I could have got for the price of 2 instead of the price of 4. I'm mad, y'all. I was so upset, y'all, that I emailed Sally Beauty about the situation. And do you know what their response was? Oh, we take comments into consideration for future whatever. But future stuff is not going to help me now. I paid twice the amount what I was supposed to pay because y'all let me check out and complete my order with confirmation and ship tracking number, and had me thinking that I was going to receive something that I ended up not getting for the price that I wanted to pay. Okay? Y'all, let me get to the rest of this video because I could talk about this all day and all night. Yes, for a penny. So those products were the rinse out conditioner, even though some of them say leave in. So those were the rinse out conditioners, but I did also get a couple leave in products. I purchased the Haircare Keratin and Green Tea Restructurizer. This is 8 fluid ounces. And I don't know why I just bought one because I'm totally out. This is something when it goes on sale, I buy 2, 3, 4. But for whatever reason, I only got one. Maybe it was a limit on the number I could purchase or whatever. I don't know. But I got one of these. And then I got the product that I can't stand from Haircare, but I bought it anyway because sometimes I like to follow the directions. And this is the Haircare Balancing Moisturizer. And this is the product that you're supposed to use right after you do the 2-step protein treatment. And because that is an intense treatment, it's pH configured and balanced and all of that kind of stuff. I just bought the moisturizer that goes with it. I have used the Haircare 2-step protein treatment without using this after it, but I just like to have it on hand just in case. And plus it was 50% off, which is about the only time I will buy it. It got to be on sale. And then finally, I bought this from Curly Kids. It is the Curly Cream Leave-In Conditioner. And the only reason I bought this is because I actually have, I believe it's the deep conditioner. I have this in my Rolly Bins. And if you haven't seen my series of Rolly Bins videos, make sure you go ahead and check that out. I already have one product from this line, so I just went ahead and got another one, but obviously I wasn't paying attention because I didn't get the shampoo from this line. I may have some other conditioners or leave-in conditioners or other products that can fit in this category that I actually bought on the styling day, but I don't feel like picking through the bag though, y'all, and y'all will see that during that video. So during this sale, I got 15 products from 8 different brands, I believe. Most of them were the matching conditioners to the shampoos that I purchased during the 50% off shampoo sale. And I'm pretty happy with the collection of products I got. Except for the hiccups and the bumps and the lumps in the road, I'm pretty satisfied with what I have. As you know, these products are going to be used in the order in which they were purchased. However, if you want to see products bumped up to the front of the line and you want to see me do a demo and review, results and review, a full wash day, or individual product review, you can make that happen by sponsoring the video via my Cash App or my PayPal. I have that information up on the screen. Or if you want me to try something that you didn't see, you can always send me a package in the mail. I have my post office box listed, and that is another way where you can support me and my channel. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, and share this video and my channel with everyone you know. Until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.